Now, for 20 years, I chased financial freedom through my law career. I thought success was linear, right? Work harder, longer hours, climb the ladder, eventually hit my retirement planning goals. But nearly 10 years ago, at 43, I left that career to build passive income streams, and I discovered something that nobody tells you about growing your wealth after 40: the compound effect. So if you're over 40 wondering why nothing you do takes off, understanding this one principle will change everything. I'm going to show you exactly what I learned, prove it with my own story, and then take you on a little social experiment where we'll put this principle to work in real time, you and me, together. Mastery not required, of course. I spent 2 decades in corporate law, served on boards of 18 investment funds, and did literally billions in deals. Now, from the outside, it looked like a success, but I realized that trading my time for money had a ceiling. No matter how good you get, you only have that many hours a day. So I started researching life after corporate, right? Looking for a second act career that didn't require me to master a bunch of different skills before I could earn. And that's when I hit the wall that maybe you're hitting right now. Right, I'd start a project, work on it for a couple of months, right, see minimal results and think, this isn't working. And even if I did make some money, I'd wonder what's really wasting my time. I mean, I'll never replace my law career with this sort of income, right? Now, the problem was my expectation. I expected linear growth. So you put in X, you get X, because that's how it was in school. And that's how it was in our careers, right? You study hard, you do well. You close a big deal, you get a big bonus. But that's not how building wealth after 40 works. See, that's not how sustainable investing or long-term business building works. And once I understood the compound effect, everything finally clicked. You see, small, consistent actions create exponential results over time. But there's a lag phase where nothing seems to happen. Now imagine a graph. For the first few weeks or months, the line is flat, right? You're putting in the effort, but the results are invisible. Then suddenly, the line curves upwards, not because you're working harder, but because your previous efforts are compounding. And this power of compounding applies to everything, right? Business, investing, relationships, and even your skills. Now, when I left law, I had zero online presence, right? No audience, minimal passive income from investments, nowhere near enough to live on, and not much else. So I started testing income models, right? Documenting my journey, writing articles, sending an email newsletter about second act careers and life after corporate. And the first 5 months were brutal. Right? I made no money from my business. And I started to question everything. This time, I kept going because I understood the compound effect principle. Around month 4, people started subscribing to my newsletter. Half a month later, they started buying. I signed up for related affiliate programs and income started flowing in from multiple sources. Not because I suddenly got better, but the compound effect kicked in. By month 6, I'd secured retirement income streams that replaced my law salary. And 12 months later, I hit the 7-figure mark. All because I understood that success takes time, and I gave the compound effect room to work. See, this exact framework, the one that took me from 0 to 7 figures in 12 months, is what I teach in my 4-day predictable income plan. It's a video workshop where I show tired executives how to secure your financial future with multiple income streams using what you know instead of chasing mastery. Links in the description. See, this is what separates people who succeed from people who quit. See, most people give up during the flat part of the curve and they never reach the exponential phase. And I'll be honest, I've made that same mistake too. See, this YouTube channel, this is nearly 10 years old with less than 1,000 subscribers at the time of recording. Why? Because I was never consistent enough for the compound effect to kick in. But here's the good news. I've never been much on the social media and I still built a 7-figure income stream. So if you hate social media too, that should be encouraging because you don't need it for financial freedom. Now, I'm now committing this publicly to you. I'm restarting this channel because I've realized that not everyone can afford to work with me, but everyone needs to hear my message. So this channel is a live experiment, right? You're watching the compound effect in real time. Every video I post, every subscriber, every comment you leave, it's all compounding. So subscribe to this channel to watch what happens over the next few months, right? Watch the subscriber count grow, the view counts compound. You'll see the compound effect proven right in front of you. And I'll teach you exactly how to apply this in your investments, your business growth, your retirement planning, and your financial freedom. Because you don't need to master a bunch of complicated skills. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to understand the compound effect and give it time to work. So are you ready to start compounding your wealth? Then grab my free 4-day predictable income plan. Links in the description. It's where I walk you through building multiple income streams using your purpose and existing knowledge. Then hit subscribe because you're going to watch this channel prove the compound effect in real time, and drop a comment and tell me, where are you in your compound effect journey? Are you still in the flat phase, or are you starting to see the curve? And if you're wondering how to actually build multiple income streams without burning out, then watch the video on screen right now and let's build this together. And I'll see you on the next video.